Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am bringing you a little B&M haul. So if you to see what I picked up, then just continue to watch.
What I like about you, so dangerous, I get this.
So hi guys, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Juliette and I do new videos on this channel every week. If you are one of my lovely subscribers coming back, thank you so much for coming back. If you haven't already, there is a little subscribe button down there in red somewhere. I would love for you guys to click that and stick around. It's completely free and entirely up to you. But without further ado, let's get into today's B&M haul. So I did vow that I'm not going to do that many hauls on this channel already. This is my second one of the year, but I am basically looking for organisational things for around the house, and they are only little ones. So I used to go and I used to be like, I really need to spend like loads of money and show everything that they've got in store, and I just found that I was just buying too much stuff. So what I've decided to do is go in more and budget buy things that I think are really good value for money, things that I need and things that will come in useful. So today is kind of like a cleaning organisation haul. Pretty much everything is cleaning and organisation, and it is very white. But anyway, I'll get straight into the first thing that I got, which was this 4-piece set lint and hair remover set. So I've seen these about quite a lot. They are like, my mum and dad used to have one of these where you used to press a button and it would swivel round. Like years old. But this one is it's got a little travel size one included as well, which I didn't realise until just, but it's to get rid of lint, and this is really good for me because on the top of our Chesterfield we get so much like dust and dirt settle on the top, and it's not always the easiest to hoover. So I bought this was £5, it's reusable, no refills needed, so I just think it's a really good alternative to having the ones that you peel all the stickers off. I'm guessing it's more environmentally friendly because of that, so I picked this up, £5. Next up, I bought this. I have been after one of these for ages. I really want the laundry basket version, but that was £10, and I thought I'm going to limit it to £25. I'm not going to spend any more than £25, and I managed to stay under budget. I spent £22.50. But this is a collapsible bucket. I love a good space saver, and I love the fact that this collapses, because we do need buckets in this house when we like wash the cars or when we're putting something to soak, but I always find buckets are so hard to store. Like, I have no room to put my mop buckets or anything, so I thought if I've got something like this, I can use it as a mop bucket, I can use it as a normal bucket, and then when I'm done I just fold it all back down and it fits on top of my washing machine, between the washing machine and the worktop. So, you know, bonus. This was £5. They also had it in green, and I want to say they had it in grey, but I'm not 100% sure. They definitely had it in green though. Next up, I bought some Caddys, some suction Caddys. These were just £2 each, and I've picked up 2 of these. So one is for the downstairs under the kitchen sink. I'm doing an organisation video on how to do that, and I just want to try and clear off. I've got something there that sits on the top, it's got like all the brush and everything in. I want to try and put that under the sink, but I found it so difficult to keep putting them away underneath. So I thought if I put this on the door, it may work better just to put like the washing up brush in, and then also I want to put the towels on the door as well. So yeah, I picked up 2 of these, and I've got one for the shower as well. So in our shower, I've just done a really deep clean. I'm absolutely gutted that I didn't film it because it was disgusting, absolutely disgusting. I was that mortified that I thought I can't put this on the internet, but it's honestly come up so well that now I'm really annoyed that I didn't, because I just thought people aren't gonna like want to follow me anymore when they see the state of my shower. It was that bad. But now I did the bleach trick where you put the toilet roll onto the silicone and then drench it in bleach and leave it overnight, and honestly it is like new. I can't believe it. So I will show you how I do that next time I actually go in there and clean or maybe when I'm putting these up to show you, because it is such a good hack and it's worked wonders. But yeah, I picked up 2 of these, one for the shower, one for under the kitchen sink, £2 each. Okay, next up I picked this up. Now, I've got the big ones of these for my washing powder and for softener. And they are glass bottles from Ikea and that I've filled up, and I'm going to put my own stickers on. But I saw this one and it's got scents on it, and I've bought this for my scent booster, like my Unstoppables, the balls. This is a 500ml laundry bottle. When I picked it up, it's plastic. I actually wish my others were plastic because it stresses me out that they're glass, but anyway, they're out of the reach of the children anyway. But these were just £1.50. They had one that said scents, and they also had one that I think said powder, I want to say. I should have taken a photo or done a clip in there. But anyway, I picked this up. It's just a nice little plastic carafe, and it's already got the scents on there for you, so you haven't got to do anything. So yeah, pick that up, £1.50. Okay, next up, still working on the laundry room, I bought a little swing bin. I've wanted to get one of these a few times that I've been in, and I kept saying to myself, Juliette, it's £2, you don't need to spend the money. I keep telling myself to buy, you know, buy responsibly and stuff. But every time I then go into my laundry room and clean out the lint drawer, I don't know why I can't put it in the bin, but it tends to either be on the floor, on the side, get mixed in with clean washing. I don't know what happens. So this time I decided I needed the lint bin. So when I clean my lint drawers out on the tumble dryer, I've got a little bin now to put the lint in, and then at least it's all stored in one place that I can just empty out once a week. So I thought this was so cute. I thought this would also be really, really good to have one on your makeup desk. Maybe I should have got one for my makeup desk as well. Anyway, for like cotton pads when you've taken your makeup off and things like that. They did them in loads of different colours. Obviously I went with white, and these were £2 each. And finally, last but not least, I bought a broom. I have needed a new broom for a while because we used the normal house broom outside and now it's dirty. So I bought a bamboo one. I love, love, love all the bamboo stuff, as you've gathered by the kitchen, and I love the cream bristles on this. It matches. I've got a dustpan, I've got a little feather duster with a bamboo handle, and I've also got like the scrubbing brush with the wooden handle and the cream bristles. So it just goes with my set lovely. And it was only £5, which I think is really good for a wooden broom, which is exactly what it is. I love that it's still got the plastic screwing head, because I think sometimes when they're glued in, you never know. So it's nice that they've got that. The bristles are lovely and soft. I even love the shape of this as well. It's like a nice oval. So yeah, I picked this up, £5. So guys, that is everything I bought from B&M. It's only a little haul, as I say. That's what I'm going to be doing from now, short and sweet. And I really hope you enjoyed this. If you've picked up any bargains or any organisation things that you think I need to go and see, let me know in the comments below. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And I would love for you to subscribe and stick around. And until next time, guys, take care. Bye.
You said night.